first question I would look at is whether a taxonomy exists within your subject area. That's a tool that you can use to go back and classify your archive of content. So text mining is very valuable in that scenario, where your back catalogue of content can be text mined to extract concepts from the full text, which can be used to drive new discovery routes, new packages, new bundles of content, which again could be sold in different ways. And I think the challenge for publishers is really thinking about which technology do I use to achieve that, what do I want to get out of it, how do I store it, and what's the workflow around that. You can experiment with a small set of content to start off with, see how that runs through in practice before making any major changes to your back-end systems.
Taking advantage of the semantic web requires you to experiment with different approaches, different technologies, having different approaches based on the subject matter that you're working with or the customer base that you're trying to attract. Another challenge revolves around the structure of your existing data and your existing systems. Not that you need to completely re-engineer that data and those systems, but you do probably need to align yourself with a partner or a vendor who understands how those things work and can therefore allow you to maximize what you have, but do so in a semantic context.
As more and more data sets become available through the linked data cloud, we cannot predict at any point in time the information that we'll be able to glean in the future about our data. And so the technologies that we use to underpin such applications need to be flexible and extensible enough to cope with such data enrichment and data augmentation in the future.
Affordability can be managed by being very selective in how you enter into the process. You can do so in a staged approach. You can take on as much as you can afford from both a monetary and from a resource standpoint. But you can slowly work your way into it, and you can do that by focusing on particular product lines, by focusing on particular segments of your user base. So there's different ways to enter into that.